Welcome to our video on the top 100 modern living room design ideas. The living room is often the heart of a home, serving as a space for relaxation, socialization, and entertainment. In this video, we'll explore an incredible array of design concepts that highlight the versatility and beauty of modern living spaces. Whether you prefer sleek minimalism or warm, inviting environments, we have something to inspire everyone. Our journey begins with the minimalist approach, where less is indeed more. Imagine a living room characterized by clean lines, neutral colors, and a sense of openness. This style often features furniture that is functional yet striking, allowing for an uncluttered atmosphere that promotes tranquility. The beauty of minimalist design lies in its ability to create an airy space that feels both spacious and inviting, encouraging a calming retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Next, let's explore cozy modern living rooms that embrace warmth and comfort. Here you'll find rich color palettes, plush textiles, and thoughtfully arranged seating that invite you to settle in and unwind. Imagine soft, oversized sofas adorned with textured throws and an array of cushions, creating a perfect spot for family gatherings or a quiet evening with a book. These designs often incorporate elements like area rugs that define spaces, along with layered lighting to set the mood for various activities. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, adds a rustic touch that enhances the overall warmth of the room. Let's now turn our attention to modern living rooms that prioritize natural light and openness. Large windows and open floor plans are key features in these designs, creating an airy ambiance that is both refreshing and energizing. Imagine a space where the outside seamlessly blends with the inside, thanks to expansive glass doors that open onto a patio or garden. This design concept not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the living room, but also promotes a sense of connection with nature. You'll also notice how furniture arrangements in these spaces often focus on maintaining flow, allowing for easy movement and conversation. Incorporating indoor plants can further enhance this connection to the outdoors, adding color and life to your living area. Let's delve into bold designs that make a statement. In modern living rooms, vibrant colors and unique decor elements can transform an ordinary space into a captivating visual experience. Imagine a living room adorned with a striking accent wall, perhaps in deep emerald green or a rich navy blue, serving as a backdrop for eclectic artwork and furnishings. Statement pieces, like oversized light fixtures or sculptural furniture, become focal points that invite conversation and intrigue. These designs celebrate individuality, allowing homeowners to express their personal style while creating an environment that feels dynamic and alive. In today's world, functionality is essential, especially in smaller living spaces. Our next segment focuses on multifunctional living rooms that maximize every square foot while maintaining style. These innovative furniture solutions make it easy to adapt your living space for various activities, whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet night in. Clever storage solutions, such as built-in shelves or coffee tables with hidden compartments, keep the space organized and clutter-free. Now, let's step into the world of luxury modern living rooms. These spaces are often characterized by high-end finishes, elegant furnishings, and stunning art pieces that elevate the overall aesthetic. Imagine entering a living room where the furniture is tailored, the fabrics are sumptuous, and the decor exudes sophistication. Rich textures, such as velvet or leather, combined with statement lighting fixtures, create an atmosphere of opulence and comfort. These designs often incorporate artfully arranged accessories that add personality without overwhelming the space. As we conclude our exploration of the top 100 modern living room design ideas, we hope you feel inspired to infuse your space with creativity and style. Each living room reflects the personality and lifestyle of its inhabitants, and with so many design options available, the possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're drawn to minimalist elegance, cozy comfort, or bold statements, there's a perfect modern living room design waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this visual journey. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your favorite modern living room design inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.